Hi. Purfuzaa is delivered at your doorstep in a box. The box contains installation instructions and label. The box includes two custom-made high-efficiency air filters as well as metal frames. The high-efficiency filters are specially designed to work with your AC. Insert one filter in each frame and connect both frames. Place Purfuzaa on top of AC indoor unit to cover air inlets. Press lightly for fitment and turn on AC in fan mode. Congratulations, your AC is now one of the most powerful air purifiers, protecting you and your family from ill effects of smoke.